Hi everyone, my name is Sherry. Welcome to Handmade U. I am going to show you how to edit the memorial keychain template on your phone. Okay, so we're going to be using the mobile Canva app. Sorry. All right, so go ahead and go to Etsy or go to the email that you got from the website and download your template. When it asks you if you want to make a copy, definitely make a copy of it. And I'm going to go ahead and open up Canva and find my file so that we can be on the same page, okay? So give me 1 sec to do that. All right, so once it's open in Canva, you will notice that there are a few different options that you have. You can utilize any one of these. And these right here, this is the actual blanks that were used to create this design. So we're going to go ahead back to the first one to utilize that, okay? Now, once you're here, there's very easy to utilize, okay? And again, because we're doing a screen record, you're not going to see my fingers move, but hopefully you'll get to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to click on camera because the image that I'm going to use is on my camera roll. Now I'm going to click on the image that I want to use, which is going to be this father and daughter combination that's at the top here. And I'm going to click add to page. Once I do that, I'm going to put my finger on the image and I'm going to move it around the page. And when I move it, you'll notice that it kind of snaps into place. So technically, you're done here. That's all you need to do. You can go ahead and download this file and bring it into your favorite design software to be able to make sure it's the right size and that it's formatted the way you want it to print, okay? And then you can print it. Unfortunately, we cannot print from Canva directly. We have to download it, okay? All right, so a couple other things. Because it's a template, you can play around with it. So if you wanted to change the text or the font, you could do that. If you wanted to change the colors of these buttons, for example, you could change these from gray, the dark gray that they are, to a black color. That would totally be fine, okay? So you can play around with it. It's your template. Just remember, you can make as many of these as you want, print them out, sublimate the keychains, and sell them.